The goal of the CARDIOPATCH project is to develop a new regenerative therapy for patients with congestive heart failure. A few years ago, we started to work with a collagen patch, collagen mesh, that we engineer with cells, with stromal cells, so that could replace the necrotic tissue after a myocardial infarction. In this new project, we are trying to develop a second generation of CARDIOPATCH, where not only we use the collagen and the cells, but we are also engineering the cells to perform better, either by injecting cytokines or different types of RNAs that can improve the quality of the cells and of the CARDIOPATCH. In this project, we not only try to develop this new generation of patches, but we are also trying to develop a system that can allow delivery of the patch through a minimally invasive procedure, which will also be a very significant development for treatment of these patients.